Hi guys, nandito kami sa airport ngayon. Kami ay magta-travel. Yan. Pero hindi yan ang aeroplano na sasakyan namin. Doon banda. So, update ko kayo mamaya ulit. Okay guys, katatapos lang namin mag-land. Dito na kami sa sasakyan. Yung service ng hotel. Dito. So yan, mga 45 minutes daw papunta dun sa sakayan ng bangka. And then sasakay kami ng bangka papunta dun sa hotel mismo. Another speedboat, another 45 minutes. So yeah, update ko na lang kayo. Magalaw yung sasakyan. Mukha na akong haggard. Ang ganda ng nila dito. Ang ganda ng table. I like the table and the chair. But I'm not sure if the chair is comfy. It's a bit hard, isn't it? Not really. Not really comfy. Yan, so you guys, pag naghihintay lang kami ng Coast Guard. Tawag dito. Aprobahan pa doon ng Coast Guard yung bangka. Yay. Can't wait. Naka-speedboat kami. Ito yung map dito nga pala pupunta namin sa lugar. So we're going this way. Oh, this way, sorry. I saw this one. Where are we right now? We're here. Yeah. Tapos tomorrow we'll be going those. Is it all of this four or?
Don't know about that. These ones.
Yeah. Galing kami dito, Busuanga Airport. Yan. So yan, haggard na sobrang yung flight namin, haba. Hong Kong to Manila, Manila to Busuanga, and then Busuanga to the hotel. Last na yung speedboat, yun na yung last na namin. Tingnan mo yung mata ko. Pagod na ako. Wala pa kaming kain, walang pahinga. Asan yung travel namin talaga dire-diretso. Still waiting guys. Init dito, walang aircon. May aircon ng konti. Alam nyo sa airplane kanina, grabing init. Walang aircon, electric pan lang. So yun guys, yan yung sasakyan namin. Yung speedboat na yan. Punta kami doon sa hotel mismo namin. Ang ganda ng dito. Ganda. So ito yung pinaka-town nila dito. Ayan. Ayan guys, andito na kami sa sa boat. Sakay na kami. Meron ako kasama dito dalawa. Kami pala. aming final destination. At meron kaming ano.
Visayas, Mindanao, tinig mo ay sadyang kahangahanap. Awit mo ay salmig ng iyong buhay, aawitin ng buong bansa. Ang galing mo kapatid kailanman, buong bansa ngayon ay kakanta. Kapag na Pilipinas, ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino.
Hi! Wait, I'm still wearing this. Hello, can you hold it for me? I have so much to carry in my hand. Ayan guys, andito na kami. Ito yung hotel namin. Sunlight. Okay guys, andito na kami sa aming room. Natawag nila itong ano, villa. Pakita ko muna sa inyo sa labas. Yan. Yan yung hallway namin. Tapos dito sa baba, ilalim dagat. Ayan. Yan, no? Yan, tapos dito yung toilet. May ilalim nitong anong dagat.
Yes, I was just reading the WhatsApp, sorry.
Yes, ayan, no? Tapos ito yung balcony namin.
I'll do that later.
Ay, grabing init. Ang init, guys. Okay, mamaya na nga lang, wala akong makita. Okay, so mamaya pakita ko na lang sa inyo yung sa labas kasi mainit pa, oh. Nakasara nga yung kortina namin. So, yan, makalat yung ano namin ngayon. Kwarto namin. Okay. Get the key? Punta muna kami sa labas, maglalakad-lakad kami doon. Tingnan namin kung ano pwedeng makita doon sa labas. So, yan. Ito yung mga ano dito, kwarto dito. Medyo malapit kami sa pier. Aray ko. Parang sira na yata yung ano na yun. Yan. Galakad-lakad muna kami. Tingnan namin dito kung ano yung ano. Tawag dito. Anong meron sa resort na to. Napaka-isolated dito, guys. Grabe. Ang tahimik. As in, stuck ka talaga dito sa island kasi ang ano dito is ang pag-travel dito is ano lang, by boat. At saka kailangan i-book mo pa yung ano, yung boat dito. Which way are we going? Okay, we're going. Ha?
Nothing that way. Just
Okay.
the main bit of the hotel's nothing.
Yeah, so pupunta muna kami dito. Ayan oh. Malapit kami. That room over there look like broken.
It is.
Repairing it. Napakatahimik. It's very quiet here. Very isolated. Ayan. Mainit pa rin, ano oras na? 5:45 na. Ayan o yung ano nila. Do you wanna go to the shop first?
It's closed.
Is it? It's open? Oh, sorry, we're closed. Okay. Closed daw yung shop nila. Tsaka tingnan nyo guys yung ano, yung sa beach. Punta kami dyan mamaya. Doon sa taas na yon. Doon guys, ano yon, papunta sa reception at saka yung hotel dito. Ay ano, swimming pool dyan sa taas na yan. Yan. Taas pa rin ng araw kahit ano, tawag dito, gabi na. Magsi 6 o'clock na. Iba yung sand nila dito, hindi white sand. Okay, where do you want to go? Okay. You don't wear slipper? Ayan, punta kami dito sa beach, guys.
It's a beach, this one.
Oh, white sand actually. Ayan, oh.
I think this one is more for swimming.
Look at that over there. Wanna go this way? Ang ganda guys, oh. Yung may tubig. What is in there? Oh, very romantic. Ang ganda na yung ano dito guys, oh. May ilaw. Ang ganda guys, napaka peaceful. Yan, wala pakialam yung isa lagi nasa cellphone niya. Ang ganda. Welcome to Coron, by the way. Dito kami sa Coron, Palawan. Oops. Yan.
Restaurant.
Hmm?
Restaurant.
Which restaurant are we going to? Ayan guys, inom muna tayo. Napagod kami ng kalalakad kanina. Hanap kami, nag-ikot-ikot kami dito sa island, sa resort. Alam niyo, medyo disappointed kami sa hotel na to kasi hindi namin ni-expect na ang mga tao dito hindi masyadong helpful. So sa receptionist pa lang ang dami nang inaano nila na bayaran nyo yung ganito, bayaran nyo yung ganyan. Parang walang welcome. Yung ganong ano, vibes dito pagdating mo. Tapos syempre pagod kami biyahe from ang haba-haba ng travel namin. Pagdating ka dito ano, pagod na pagod ka. Tapos sasabihin nila walang restaurant, ay yung restaurant doon na ano, fully book, yung ganito ganun kasi dapat ang pag tawag dito, pag book is cut off ng booking nila is 4 o'clock. Paano na yung mabubook yung first time nyo dito sa hotel? Hindi nyo alam kung anong nangyayari dito, anong meron dito. Tsaka napaka-isolated ng island. Wala kang iba talaga mapupuntahan. So, ang option lang nila is yung isang restaurant doon, fully booked. So, hindi kami makakapunta doon kasi fully booked nga. Ang ano lang nila is mag room service na lang. Which is not really helpful. In my opinion. I don't know. Not really impressed.
So,
I mean, the hotel is nice.
it's really nice.
I don't think the staff here are kind of helpful. I don't really, not really, they're not really helpful. Like you don't know anything about this island. Tapos darating ka dito, sabihin mo lang pagkain. Ano na lang gagawin mo dito?
Solid.
Everything is shut. The shop is shut.
Pool shuts at 7.
The pool is shut at 7. How are you gonna swim? I mean, I think you're allowed to swim down before.
He said no, it's chemical limited.
So the pool is not open. I mean, it's closed 7. We just arrived just after 5 o'clock. We're tired. We want to swim. How can you swim when it's closed? Ay, ay, ay. Kind of disappointing.
So,
But it's not your fault. We're not expecting that to be like this.
maybe we should
Supposed to be like luxury resort, but it's
Research it
actually opposite. It's not really luxury resort. It's fine. I mean, I don't know, maybe we're just tired. But this is not what we, you know. It's like we have no option. Sorry, the restaurant it's fully booked, so all you guys need to do is eat in your room. Have a room service for dinner, which is sucks. You want to go swimming? I can't swim because it's shut at 7. Anyway, busin ko muna itong iniinom ko. Init na rin ako eh.